Prove that a cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. Now a cyclic quadrilateral means a quadrilateral inside a circle, and here they have particularly given it as a parallelogram. So first we should consider a circle, and now I am drawing a parallelogram inside it. Let it be ABCD. Now I need to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. Welcome to Mathotropism. So understanding what is given and identifying the concept. First is given is a cyclic parallelogram ABCD. Now first there are three things here. We have a cyclic quadrilateral, and that quadrilateral is a parallelogram, and I have to prove that that parallelogram is a rectangle. From our previous classes, we already know that a rectangle is a type of a parallelogram. So first we will start with each of the words, that is rectangle, parallelogram and cyclic quadrilateral, and explain what are all the properties each one has and try to identify a link between these three. So first we need to prove it is a rectangle. So in a rectangle, if we think about its properties, opposite sides are equal and parallel, and all angles are right angles. So it means what? Angle A and angle B, angle C and angle D, all these angles are 90 degree. This is what we have to prove here. And then in a cyclic quadrilateral, when we are considering, we know that the sum of the opposite pair of angles is 180 degree, which means angle ABC plus angle ADC will be equal to 180 degree. And also BAD plus angle BCD will also be equal to 180 degree. So this is with respect to the cyclic quadrilateral. The third one we have is the parallelogram. Now what are all the properties which come to mind for a parallelogram? First of all, the opposite angles are equal. So angle ABC will be equal to angle ADC, and similarly angle BAD will be equal to angle DCB. Now apart from that, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So if we compare the step 2 and 4, we already know that rectangle is a type of a parallelogram. So the second, that is the opposite sides are equal and parallel, have been satisfied. So we need to just now prove that all angles are right angles. So if we see the steps 3 and the first point from the fourth step, angle ABC and ADC are equal. So when we substitute that in the step 3, we get that twice of angle ABC is 180 degree, which implies that angle ABC is 90 degree, which is also equal to angle ADC. Similarly, using the other equation, that angle BAD plus angle BCD equal to 180 degree, and also angle BAD is equal to BCD, we can also prove that the other two angles are also equal to 90 degree. So from this we get that all angles are 90 degree, and from the previous step we already know that opposite sides are equal and parallel. Hence the cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. So proceeding, forming equations and solving the sum. Given is a cyclic parallelogram ABCD, and we need to prove it is a rectangle. We will consider the angles are right angles. So angle ABC is equal to angle ADC is equal to angle BAD plus equal to angle BCD, which is 90 degree. Let us keep it as equation 1, and we also need to show that opposite sides are equal and parallel. This is number 2. The solution is, first we will consider from the cyclic quadrilateral that the opposite angles add up to 180 degree. So angle ABC plus angle ADC is 180 degree, angle BAD plus angle BCD is 180 degree. We will keep this as equation 3 and 4. And next, we know that angle ABC will be equal to angle ADC and angle BAD will be equal to angle BCD, since opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. So we'll keep this as equation 5. So substituting this 5 in equation 3, we can see that twice angle ABC is twice angle ADC, which is equal to 180 degree. So angle ABC is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, substituting 5 in equation 4, we get angle BAD is equal to angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. We have now shown that all angles are right angles, and since in a parallelogram opposite sides are parallel and equal, both the conditions for a rectangle have been satisfied. Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle. Thus proven.